If you're over 60 and you're not eating ginger every single day, you need to hear this right now. What I'm about to reveal will shock you. Doctors are now discovering that consuming ginger daily causes incredible changes in your body within just 7 days. Changes that could reverse years of pain, inflammation, and aging. I'm Dr. B.M. Smith, and in the next 17 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what happens inside your body when you start eating ginger, why most doctors won't tell you this, and the right way to use it for maximum benefits. My friend, this ancient root that costs less than $1 could be more powerful than medications you're paying hundreds of dollars for. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could change your life. I've been practicing medicine for over 3 decades, and I've seen pharmaceutical companies push expensive medications while ignoring simple, natural solutions that actually work. Ginger is one of those solutions. The research on ginger is overwhelming, but somehow this information isn't reaching the people who need it most. In this video, I'm walking you through 7 remarkable things that happen in your body when you consume ginger daily, real measurable changes that start within days. And I'll show you exactly how to use ginger, how much to take, what form works best, and the mistakes most people make. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I create videos weekly to help people over 60 live healthier, pain-free, more independent lives. Click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss these health updates. Let me say this up front. I'm not telling you to stop medications your doctor prescribed. What I am telling you is that ginger is one of the most scientifically validated natural remedies on the planet, with over 2,000 published studies showing its benefits. This isn't folk medicine. This is real science proven over and over. Ginger contains over 400 different chemical compounds, including powerful ones like gingerol, shogaol, and zingerone. These compounds have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and pain-relieving properties that rival many pharmaceutical drugs, but without dangerous side effects. Let me tell you about Dorothy. She came to see me at 67, suffering from severe arthritis pain in her knees and hands. She could barely walk, couldn't open jars, couldn't garden. The things she loved were being taken away. She was taking ibuprofen multiple times daily, causing stomach problems and raising her blood pressure. I suggested fresh ginger tea twice daily and ginger supplements. Within 1 week, she noticed less pain. Within 1 month, she cut her ibuprofen in half. Within 3 months, she was off pain medication entirely and back to gardening. Today at 70, she still drinks her ginger tea every morning and swears it saved her quality of life. Effect number 1, dramatic reduction in inflammation. The first and most important thing ginger does is dramatically reduce inflammation throughout your entire body. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of almost every disease affecting people over 60. Arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's, cancer. As you age, your body develops chronic low-grade inflammation. Think of it like a fire smoldering in your body, slowly damaging your tissues, organs, and joints. This inflammation causes pain, accelerates aging, damages arteries, and increases disease risk. The gingerol compounds in ginger are among the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory substances ever discovered. Multiple studies show ginger can reduce inflammatory markers in your blood by 20 to 50% within weeks of regular consumption. One study in the Journal of Medicinal Food looked at people with osteoarthritis. They gave half the group ginger extract, the other half a placebo. After just 6 weeks, the ginger group experienced 40% reduction in pain and inflammation. That's comparable to prescription anti-inflammatory drugs, without side effects. Another study compared ginger to ibuprofen for pain. Ginger worked just as well as ibuprofen, but without stomach irritation, bleeding risk, or cardiovascular problems that ibuprofen causes. Here's what excites me. Ginger doesn't just mask pain like ibuprofen. It addresses underlying inflammation. It works by inhibiting inflammatory compounds called prostaglandins and leukotrienes, the same compounds prescription drugs target, but naturally without damaging your stomach, kidneys, or heart. Ginger also inhibits COX-2 enzymes involved in inflammation and pain. This is the same mechanism drugs like Celebrex use, but Celebrex has been linked to increased heart attack and stroke risk. Ginger provides the same benefit without those dangers. For people over 60 dealing with arthritis or chronic pain, ginger can be life-changing. Studies show taking ginger daily for 3 months can reduce arthritis pain by up to 60%. Robert, 72, had been taking prescription anti-inflammatory drugs for arthritis for over 10 years. His stomach was a mess, and his kidney function was declining, a common side effect of long-term NSAID use. I suggested he gradually replace his medication with ginger under supervision. We started with ginger tea twice daily and high-quality supplements. Within 2 weeks, his pain improved. Within 6 weeks, he stopped his prescription medication completely with his doctor's approval. His stomach healed, kidney function improved, and his pain was better controlled than on drugs. Effect number 2, powerful digestive healing. The second incredible thing ginger does is heal and protect your digestive system. If you're dealing with indigestion, bloating, gas, or nausea, this could solve problems you've had for years. Ginger has been used for thousands of years to treat digestive issues. Modern science confirms why it works. Ginger stimulates digestive enzyme production, speeds up stomach emptying, reduces bloating and gas, protects stomach lining, and reduces nausea better than most medications. One of the most well-researched benefits is reducing nausea and vomiting. Studies show ginger is as effective as prescription anti-nausea drugs for motion sickness and nausea, but without drowsiness and side effects. But ginger does much more. It increases saliva and bile production, helping you digest food more efficiently. It contains enzymes that break down proteins, making it easier to extract nutrients from food. This is especially important as you age because your digestive system naturally becomes less efficient. Here's something most doctors won't tell you. Ginger can protect your stomach lining from damage caused by medications, alcohol, and stress. Studies show ginger has anti-ulcer properties and can help heal existing ulcers. One study found ginger was 6 to 8 times more effective than the drug lansoprazole at preventing ulcers. Ginger also helps with constipation, affecting about 30% of people over 60. It stimulates digestive tract muscles, helping move food through more efficiently. Many patients report more regular bowel movements within days of starting ginger. Eleanor, 68, had suffered from terrible indigestion and bloating for over 20 years. She couldn't eat a normal meal without feeling uncomfortable for hours. She was taking antacids multiple times daily, causing calcium malabsorption and increased fracture risk. I suggested fresh ginger tea 20 minutes before each meal. Within 3 days, she noticed improvement. Within 2 weeks, her bloating was 80% better. Within a month, she stopped antacids completely. She now chews on fresh ginger before big meals and hasn't had significant indigestion in over 2 years. Effect number 3, blood sugar regulation. The third remarkable effect is improved blood sugar control. This is critical for anyone over 60 because diabetes risk increases dramatically with age, and high blood sugar damages every organ: your heart, kidneys, eyes, nerves, and brain. Recent research shows ginger has powerful anti-diabetic properties. Studies found ginger can lower fasting blood sugar, reduce HbA1c, and improve insulin sensitivity. One groundbreaking 2015 study gave people with type 2 diabetes 2 grams of ginger powder daily for 12 weeks. At the end, their fasting blood sugar dropped 12%, and HbA1c dropped 10%. These are significant improvements that can dramatically reduce diabetes complications. Another study found ginger improved insulin sensitivity by 15%. Insulin sensitivity is crucial because as you age, cells become resistant to insulin, causing blood sugar to rise. Ginger helps cells respond better to insulin, allowing glucose to enter cells instead of staying in your bloodstream, causing damage. Ginger works by inhibiting enzymes that break down carbohydrates, slowing sugar release into your bloodstream after meals. It also increases glucose uptake into muscle cells, removing sugar from your blood. Additionally, it protects insulin-producing cells in your pancreas from damage. James, 71, was pre-diabetic with fasting blood sugar of 118. His doctor wanted to start metformin, but James wanted to try lifestyle changes first. Along with dietary improvements and walking, I suggested ginger supplements twice daily and ginger tea. After 3 months, his fasting blood sugar dropped to 96, completely normal. His doctor was amazed and agreed he didn't need medication. James continues taking ginger daily, and his blood sugar has remained normal for over 2 years. Effect number 4, cardiovascular protection. The fourth incredible benefit is protection for your heart and blood vessels. Heart disease is the #1 killer of people over 60, so anything protecting your cardiovascular system is critically important. Ginger benefits your heart in multiple ways. It reduces cholesterol levels, particularly LDL and triglycerides. One study found taking 3 grams of ginger daily for 45 days reduced total cholesterol by 17% and LDL cholesterol by 10%. These reductions are significant enough to reduce heart attack and stroke risk. Ginger also prevents blood clots from forming. It contains compounds that inhibit platelet aggregation, similar to how aspirin works, but naturally without the stomach bleeding risk aspirin carries. Another cardiovascular benefit is blood pressure reduction. Studies show ginger can lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. One study found people consuming ginger regularly had systolic blood pressure 8 points lower on average. Ginger also improves circulation throughout your body. It has warming properties that dilate blood vessels, allowing more blood flow to your extremities. This is why ginger is so good for people with cold hands and feet, a common problem as you age due to poor circulation. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties also protect blood vessel lining from damage. This prevents atherosclerosis, the buildup of plaque in arteries that leads to heart attacks and strokes. Martin, 69, came to see me with high blood pressure and high cholesterol. He was on 2 medications, but still wasn't at goal. His blood pressure averaged 145/90, and his LDL was 160. We optimized his medications, improved his diet, and I suggested adding ginger, fresh ginger tea in the morning, and supplements with dinner. After 2 months, his blood pressure averaged 128/78, and his cholesterol had improved significantly. His cardiologist reduced one of his medications. Effect number 5, enhanced brain function. The fifth remarkable benefit is protection for your brain and improved cognitive function. As you age, your brain becomes vulnerable to oxidative stress, inflammation, and degeneration. Ginger fights all of these. Ginger contains powerful antioxidants that protect brain cells from free radical damage. Studies show ginger can improve memory, attention, and cognitive processing speed in older adults. One study gave ginger extract to middle-aged women for 2 months. At the end, they showed significant improvements in attention, cognitive processing, and working memory compared to placebo. Ginger also increases levels of important neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, affecting mood, motivation, and cognitive function. This is why many people report feeling more mentally alert and emotionally balanced when consuming ginger regularly. Research suggests ginger may help prevent or slow Alzheimer's disease and dementia. It does this by reducing brain inflammation, preventing accumulation of toxic proteins, and protecting neurons from death. Ginger also improves blood flow to the brain, crucial for optimal cognitive function. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reaching brain cells, which means better memory, faster thinking, and improved overall brain health. Ruth, 73, was experiencing concerning memory problems. She'd forget conversations, misplace items constantly, and struggled to find words. After ruling out serious conditions, I suggested adding ginger to her daily routine. She started drinking ginger tea twice daily and taking supplements. Within a month, she noticed clearer thinking. Within 3 months, her word-finding difficulties significantly improved. Effect number 6, immune system strengthening. The sixth powerful effect is strengthening your immune system. As you age, your immune system weakens, making you more susceptible to infections and slower to heal. Ginger can help reverse this decline. Ginger has potent antimicrobial properties. It's been shown to kill or inhibit bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Studies found ginger is effective against E. coli, Salmonella, Staphylococcus, and many harmful bacteria. It's also effective against respiratory viruses, including influenza. Ginger also enhances immune cell function. It activates T cells, crucial for fighting infections and destroying abnormal cells. It increases antibody production and helps regulate immune responses, so your immune system reacts appropriately to threats. The anti-inflammatory properties benefit your immune system because chronic inflammation can suppress immune function. By reducing inflammation, ginger allows your immune system to work more effectively. Many people find that taking ginger regularly helps them get sick less often and recover more quickly when they do. The warming properties are particularly helpful for respiratory infections. It helps loosen mucus, reduces congestion, soothes sore throats, and fights the infection itself. Harold, 68. Used to get severe respiratory infections multiple times every winter, usually requiring antibiotics. I suggested he start drinking fresh ginger tea with honey and lemon daily starting in October. That first winter, he only had one minor cold that resolved quickly without antibiotics. He's continued this practice for 5 years now, and he rarely gets sick anymore. Effect number 7, comprehensive pain relief. The seventh incredible benefit is comprehensive pain relief. Studies show ginger is effective for multiple pain types: arthritis pain, muscle pain, menstrual pain, migraine headaches, and general aches and pains. The pain relief comes from ginger's ability to block pain pathways, reduce inflammation, and relax muscles. For arthritis specifically, multiple studies found ginger can reduce pain by 40 to 60% when taken consistently for several weeks. One study compared ginger extract to ibuprofen for knee arthritis and found they were equally effective, but ginger had no side effects while ibuprofen caused stomach problems. For muscle pain and soreness, particularly after exercise, ginger reduces pain by about 25%. It's particularly effective when taken daily over time. Ginger is also highly effective for migraine headaches. One study found ginger powder was as effective as sumatriptan at relieving migraine pain within 2 hours, but with fewer side effects. The pain-relieving compounds in ginger work similarly to NSAIDs like ibuprofen, but they're gentler on your body. They block inflammatory pathways and reduce pain-causing compounds without stomach irritation, bleeding risk, kidney damage, or cardiovascular risks that come with long-term NSAID use. Betty, 74, had chronic lower back pain for over 15 years from degenerative disc disease. She was taking pain medication daily, which made her constipated and foggy-headed. I suggested therapeutic doses of ginger, fresh ginger tea 3 times daily, plus high high-quality supplements providing 2 grams of ginger daily. Within 1 week, she noticed the pain was less sharp. Within 3 weeks, she reduced pain medication by half. Within 2 months, she only needed pain medication occasionally on bad days. How to use ginger for maximum benefit. Now let me tell you exactly how to use ginger to get these benefits. First, fresh ginger root is the most potent form. You can find it in any grocery store. Look for firm, smooth ginger with no soft spots. To make fresh ginger tea, slice about 1 inch of fresh ginger root. Add it to 2 cups of water, bring to a boil, then simmer for 10 minutes. Strain and drink. Add honey and lemon for taste. Drink this tea 2 to 3 times daily for therapeutic effects. You can also add fresh ginger to smoothies, stir-fries, and soups. Second, ginger supplements can be very effective and convenient. Look for supplements with standardized ginger extract with at least 5% gingerols. The therapeutic dose used in most studies is 1 to 3 grams of ginger daily. Take with food to prevent stomach upset. For maximum benefits, I recommend combining fresh ginger tea twice daily with a quality ginger supplement. Important precautions. If you're taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin, Plavix, or aspirin, talk to your doctor before taking large amounts of ginger because it has blood-thinning properties. If you're taking diabetes medications, monitor your blood sugar closely when you start ginger because it lowers blood sugar. Some people experience mild heartburn from ginger on an empty stomach. Taking it with food usually solves this. If you have gallstones, check with your doctor before using large amounts. If you're scheduled for surgery, stop ginger supplements 2 weeks before because of blood-thinning effects. For most people, ginger is extremely safe even in large amounts. It's been consumed safely for thousands of years. Simple daily plan morning. Start your day with a cup of fresh ginger tea, slice an inch of fresh ginger, boil it in water for 10 minutes, add honey and lemon. Midday, take a ginger supplement with lunch, 500 to 1,000 milligrams of ginger extract. Evening, have another cup of ginger tea with dinner or take a second ginger supplement. Also add fresh ginger to your cooking whenever possible. Grate it into stir-fries, soups, and marinades. Make it a regular part of your diet. Do this consistently for at least 2 weeks before judging results. Some effects like digestive improvement might appear within days, but other benefits like pain reduction and blood sugar control take a few weeks. Summary. 7. Incredible things happen when you consume ginger daily. Dramatic reduction in inflammation leading to less pain. Powerful digestive healing. Blood sugar regulation. Cardiovascular protection. Enhanced brain function. Immune system strengthening. Comprehensive pain relief. To get these benefits, consume ginger daily in the form of fresh ginger tea, quality supplements, or both. Use therapeutic amounts, 1 to 3 grams daily. Be consistent for at least several weeks to see full benefits. This simple route could transform your health, reduce your need for medications, improve your quality of life, and help you age with vitality. Call to action. If you found this valuable, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my future videos. Leave a comment below. Are you going to start using ginger? Have you already been using it? What results have you experienced? Share this video with someone who could benefit. Watch my next video about 5 common medications that people over 60 take that might be doing more harm than good. Link in the description below. Remember, while ginger is incredibly beneficial and well-researched, this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes, especially if you have medical conditions or take medications. My friend, you have more control over your health than you think. Simple, natural remedies like ginger have been used for thousands of years because they work. You don't have to accept pain and declining health as inevitable parts of aging. Start using ginger today. Give it a fair trial, at least 1 month of consistent use. Track how you feel. Pay attention to your pain levels, energy, digestion, and overall well-being. I think you'll be amazed. Thank you for spending this time with me. Take care of yourself. You deserve to feel good, to live without constant pain, to age with vitality and independence. Ginger is one simple tool that can help you achieve that. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay strong, and God bless you.